for Mother's Day or really any holiday for your mom or grandma, whoever. But let's first get started with these sheets. So I have shared these probably for the past 5 to 6 years, and I just ordered a new set, so I thought, why not go ahead and share them with you guys. So these are the Milani sheets. I went with the Ionic collection. Now this one comes with, I think, a sheet, top sheet, and I think 2 pillowcases. I can't remember. Yeah, it's a 4-piece. It comes with a flat sheet fitted and then 2 pillowcases. Now these are, I'm trying to see what the material is. It says it's microfiber, so if you don't like that, you may not like these, but everybody so far, excuse me, that has purchased them absolutely loves them. In my opinion, I feel like over time, every single wash, they get softer and softer and softer. So I have them on our guest bed, and every time somebody comes and stays, they always ask what sheets we have. So these make great gift ideas, or for yourself. They're even soft when you get them, but of course the first time that you receive your first ones, you want to go ahead and wash them. You can do fabric softener, not a big deal. They do get softer. Now this is the Ionic, I think, blue color. On my other beds I have white. For my son's bed I went with the blue. They have striped prints. They have so many different options. And then they do offer, this brand offers bed sheet covers, pillowcases, bed skirts, duvet covers. So if you click here below on in the carousel on the item, when it opens it up to the sheets, if you go under this description or above the description, I can't remember, if you click on the Milani name, it will pull up their shop and you can shop everything that they offer. So I really, really like those. If you're looking for new sheets and you don't want to spend a lot, these are amazing. All right, so this next item is going to be, I gotta find it. It's going to be one of my mom's Mother's Day gifts, so hopefully she does not watch this before I give it to her. So we call her Mimi. She has like 13, 14, I don't even know how many anymore, grandkids, and so I thought this was great. She used to drink coffee, but she drinks more like hot tea and stuff, but coffee, hot tea, really whatever, hot cocoa. This is a great size mug, and I'm trying to see, I think it's like 16, I'm trying to see on the bottom, but the sticker's covering it. But anyways, microwavable, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. They may have one, I don't know, for Nana, Gigi, I know there's different names, but we went with Mimi, so you can check it out. Check out the brand Burton & Burton. So just click below, there's different color options. I liked this blue, I thought it was really pretty for spring and summer. But like I said, it is super nice quality, came super fast. And then to go with it, I also grabbed this cute, she loves tees and she loves leopard print. So I grabbed this Mimi tee. I'm not sure, like I said, I can't remember based on the link if it offers different names. I'm sure if you type in Gigi or go to the brand Nan, I know there's so many different names out there, which hopefully a lot of you guys know Mimi's, but I love this like peachy, coral, pinky color. I am very impressed by the quality of the tee. It's very, very soft, lots of stretch. And then this is a very, very nice, it's not like a plasticky material. It seems super nice. It is, I feel like it's true to size. I got her a medium. It is not 100% cotton, so it should not shrink. It should do very well. I just think it is so cute. I love the Mimi print on there, or the leopard print, I mean, not the Mimi print. So you can check that out. And then I have shared this brand for so long. It is the Saturday Skin Korean skincare brand. And I first started off with their foaming cleanser, and then I went and used their vitamin C, which you can use as a serum or you can use it as a mask. Loved it. I've been using it for probably a year, so I'm trying to branch out and use some of their other products. I actually just got the Peel gel mask, and then this one is their Glacier Water Cream moisturizer. And most of them come in these little like jars, if it's not like the squeeze bottle, but this one's a jar. They really don't have a scent. I don't know if they may not have a scent at all. The vitamin C, I think, smells like lemon. And then the foaming has like a peach and apple. This one doesn't really have a scent. So this one is good for all. It's oil-free, so it's good for any skin, especially if you're oily or combination. It's really, really good for that. This one does not take much, but it's safe to use morning and night. I know some products you only need to use in the morning or some at night. This one you can use morning and night. It evens out your skin tone, leaves it very, very soft and moisturized and hydrated. So if you are looking for a moisturizer that's not going to break you out, you can try this one. And then this last item is marked down tremendously. I shared this, I think, probably 2 weeks ago, and y'all went crazy over it. So it is back. It is the high-speed, super fast, quick-drying hair dryer. It does come with 2 attachments. I don't use those, but if you have curly hair and you need a diffuser, it comes with a diffuser and then the other attachment. But I know my number one question is it heavy? No, it's not heavy. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy to me. I have some that are not like this that are a lot heavier. So if you have like super weak wrist or whatever and you need something light, this one is great. So this is your power button here. Once you turn it on, then you can control your speeds. It's got 2 speeds on here, and then you can tap the back here to do high and low, and then you can do cool, and then you can do your heat temperatures. So there's tons of different options on here. It dries my hair super, super quick, but I always tend to get frizz and flyaway because my hair is naturally wavy. If you deal with like frizz and all of that, this leaves your hair super, super smooth, cuts down on the frizz. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly, highly recommend this. I've got reviews on my page over on Facebook, so you can check out those, but highly, highly recommend. So that is all that I have for today. I have a few